I'm back with more Noapatna Silks exclusive ones today, and the first one that I am sharing is a very pretty one, black base with quirky parrot motifs all over. This is especially for those who like some quirkiness in their saris, who also are more into contemporary drapes, and they don't like, or they don't go for traditional beauties. So yes, if you are into such saris, then you can go for this. Handloom mein this kind of motifs, it's very rare, and it looks fabulous. You can see how nice it looks. The green really pops on a black base, and it also has some traditional elements. It's not that it is a sari from Odisha, and जो Odisha handloom का trademark Posapalli motif बोलते हैं. So you will see a similar motif here in the border part, but done in a way that it still retains the contemporariness of the sari. It's not messing it up. जो साड़ी का एक modern contemporary look है, that is still being maintained really well, I would say. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है ये, very attractive, and it would appeal to both the set of people who go for traditional saris and those who prefer contemporary beauties. So yes, this is how it looks. And इसका जो पल्ला है, again the much popular royal elephant पल्ला, जो कि अभी मैंने आपको पिछले कुछ साड़ीज में भी दिखाया था. The craftsmanship of this palla is beyond comparison. You can see how much work has gone into it. बहुत सुंदर, very detailed. You can see the elephant, how much detail is there. Then even above and below the elephant, even the tree you can see. And मैंने जो पहले दिखाए थे, I think they were all in white. इस पे white and red both threads का use, colors का use किया हुआ है. So इसका जो tie and dye हुआ है, उसका precision you can just think कितनी मेहनत लगी होगी. Because when doing it in one color is comparatively, I will not call it easy, because ikkat is never easy. To get this kind of preciseness in two colors is another task. So yes, this is the palla. Again, ये जो पल्ले का part है, this is done using very fine 120 count cotton. Okay, so that is the reason the sari will not have a silk mark. And coming to the blouse piece, a very smart striped blouse piece is there. बहुत smart आएगा overall look. It's a very nice sari. I personally love this. अगर आपको black sarees पसंद आती हैं, then just go for it without thinking. बहुत smart लगने वाला है. So to know the details about this sari or get the link, just comment below. You will get the link in your inbox or DM. And if you have any questions, ping me on WhatsApp 8260607401. That is my number. And you can ask me any question related to this sari or any other sari, and I'll be happy to assist you there. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.